you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully this sounds okay. I am in a new filming space. We just moved 2 weeks ago and I have this area in my new place that is perfect for filming. I just don't have it set up. So right now it looks like I'm filming from a jail cell. No, the feds didn't get me. I'm not locked up. I am at home. I just have to decorate everything back here. So hopefully this sounds okay. Hopefully this looks okay. If not, I'm either not gonna post it at all and just re-record it, or I'm just gonna scratch the whole idea altogether. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. We're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. This is going to be another belly boxes unboxing and review. If you watched my last video, you've seen that I opened up my welcome box. I did get that one 3 weeks ago and I was 25 weeks. I am currently 28 weeks and I just got this box like 3 days ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, let y'all see what's in it, tell you my initial thoughts on it, and let y'all see everything that's in it. Hopefully I like the stuff. So this is just like the last one. When you open it, it says congratulations mama, and it says, you know, share on social media. It gives you this little like information card. On the back it has all the items that are listed. It's probably a little washed out because it's white. It's all the items that are listed and their retail costs. I don't think my last box had that, and if it did, then I completely bypassed it. But I'll be able to look at everything that's in here and tell you how much everything costs while looking at this. So once again, gray tissue paper with the little frilly tissues in here. And the first thing I see is this right here. It looks like a scroll. It's thick, so I'm not gonna be able to scroll it all the way out. But it's like a measuring scroll, and I see a 6 here and 75 here, so I'm assuming it goes up to 6 feet. I'm not going to scroll it all the way out because I don't have enough room in this little space that I'm in. So it's for you to put baby on so you can measure baby's length, or it has a little handle right here so you just hang it on the wall, and baby and kids, since I do have two others, I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, they'll be able to stand up beside it, and I can measure their heights. On here it says growth chart. It's created by the Belly Boxes brand. Its retail value is $25, and it says this stylish growth chart is perfect for tracking your little one's growth. Its ability to fold up makes it easy to keep and put away with their keepsakes when they get older. So I think that's really cute. Be able to measure the kids with it. So I'm definitely gonna be using that, taking pictures. You know, everybody likes to take the 1 month, 2 weeks, first Christmas, first Easter, those pictures. We'll be doing how tall the kids are as well. Next thing, I got this caffeine-free ripe and ready tea from Birds and Bees Tea. This is it right here. Hopefully it focuses. It does say that it's organic. On here it says a nourishing red raspberry leaf blend with hints of cinnamon, allspice, and hibiscus used for the last few weeks of pregnancy. 100% organic ingredients include raspberry leaf, hibiscus petals, rose petals, cinnamon bark, allspice berries, and crystallized pineapples. Infusion directions: 1 tablespoon of herbs per cup of water. Steep for 5 to 20 minutes, depending on strength desired. On here, it says that this is designed by Birds and Bees Tea, so that's the brand, and its retail value is $6.50, and it's made to be used in the 3rd trimester. I just hit my 3rd trimester, but I am at high risk for delivering early, so I'm not going to be using it until the last couple of weeks. Next, I have this door handle tag. It says shh, mama and baby nap time. So I'll be putting this on the door. It's like a do not disturb type of thing that they give you in hotels. I think that's really, really cute. On here it says that it's by the Belly Boxes and it retails for $4.50. I also have a card in here that says the moment a child is born, the mother is born. And I think that's really cute because that is true. Once you have a child, your life does 100% change. Next thing is this book. It says 18 years. It's designed by the Belly Boxes brand. Its retail value is $19.95, and it says that it's the perfect keepsake for for you to give your little one on their 18th birthday. We suggest that each year you add a photo of them or even one of them with you. Write a letter to them highlighting that year of their life on their 18th birthday. Write your final note and give it to them. This is something they'll cherish forever. So I will definitely be filling this out. I'm gonna see if I can order 2 more of these so I can have one for each of the other children as well. I think that's really cute, even though I have to play catch up. Sorry if I'm talking a little fast. My battery is dying and I don't want to have to add to this video. Next thing I got is a onesie, and it says baby. It's a newborn size onesie. It's also designed by the Belly Box brand, and it retails for $11.95. It's a cute little black onesie. It's very, very soft for baby to wear. And under here, I think this is a matching shirt to go with it. And as I told y'all last time, I put in my sizes on the website so they knew what sizes to send me. And it's a black shirt that says baby mama. It's also a maternity shirt, so it has the scrunchies on the side, also by the Belly Box brand, and it's valued at $24.95. So it's like a little matching mommy and me outfit. So this is for me and baby to match. Maybe when we take our first pictures, you know, a couple pictures in the hospital or something like that, we'll be able to wear this together. So I think those are really, really cute. And that's all that came in this box. So I'm very interested in trying out, you know, the tea for sure, because I am starting to become a tea drinker. And then I'm definitely going to be able to use the book and like the little measuring scroll to take pictures and stuff. So all in all, I think this is a really good box. My welcome box was so much better, like the water bottle and the stretch mark cream and like the hat and the shirt, like those are all really, really cute. That box was definitely better, but this box did not disappoint. So I do want to thank the Belly Boxes. They did not send it to me, I did buy it, but I still want to thank them, you know, as a company altogether for these items. And I'll be getting my next box in the next few weeks, so y'all will be able to see me unbox that one as well. And that's about all I have. I did promise y'all a bump update, so here we are. This is baby. We are 28 weeks. But yeah, don't really have much else to update you on. Like I said, I am 28 weeks. I take my sugar test tomorrow to see if I have gestational diabetes. Hopefully I do not, even though I haven't eaten a ton of sugar this pregnancy. I've eaten more sugar during this pregnancy than I did from our other 2. It's like insane. But hopefully I don't have gestational diabetes. Hopefully baby's healthy. Baby sounds good tomorrow at my appointment, and we can just move further along into my 3rd trimester with no issues. And that's not the only update that I have. Be on the lookout for some more videos. I will be doing a house tour soon, some more cooking videos, some more pregnancy videos, and besides that, that's about all I have for you. So I'll make sure I see y'all in the next one. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, to share this video, and to look in the description box for the link to the Belly Boxes and how you can sign up and how you can get some money off of your first box, because they are doing a discount for the holidays. So until the next one, bye.